that I truly do believe in. This is one of my top 5 long-term holds. Chainlink is something that is very powerful and has good technology, and I believe in it. So therefore I'm holding it. And I don't mind if I get stuck with it. So on this specific bot that I'm using, this is a DCA bot. So it's a dollar cost averaging bot. And what it does is it buys me Chainlink and then sells it once it gets up. I'm looking to just get, I think, 1% per sale. That's like the trigger that it'll use to sell. I did copy this bot. I did not create this bot. It's done 68 completed deals. I have 1 current active trade going on right now, and I have no stop loss. Stop loss is something that you need to educate yourself on to see if you want to do it. I do not believe in stop losses on these bots. Just simply, camera's a little dirty here, but simply because I've used different trading techniques. I've taught myself how to trade. I've learned from others. I've taken courses. I've done all these types of things, and having a stop loss is very powerful, and it is necessary when you're day trading, and if you don't want to lose all your money or get stuck in a trade. But for the simplicity of this bot, I chose one that has no stop loss, and what I did was I copied it. There are other bots that I've seen and that I've used personally that do have stop losses that were making me money, but cryptocurrency market is extremely volatile, and that's what scares a lot of people away. So this market is so volatile that if I get stuck in this trading pair, I don't mind. I'll hold Link at whatever price that this buys me at, because I do think that in the future it's going to be worth a lot more. So here, I'll give you a little rundown real quick. I have it active right now. As of today, it's made me $265 in profit. That's what it's done. Sorry, my camera is real blurry today. I don't know what's going on. It won't focus. But it's made me $265. This is me allowing this bot to use $700 total. It's not allowed to use more than $700. It will not use more than $700. So this is not a bunch of money invested. I'm not really risking anything because it's something that I would like to hold long term. And what it does is it trades in and out of Link for me. And it's made me $265 in about a month. So I started it, let's see here. I started it March 19th, and we're at April, well, as of April 16th, it's profited me this much. So in less than a month, it's profited me $265 in USD Tether. So that's real money that it's profiting for me. Now, I'm not affiliated with this company. I don't think that they give me any referral money. Hopefully they do if you sign up with this. I just wanted to share something with you all that this is the future. I have something making money for me. I don't have to talk to anybody to do it. I don't have to call in to customer service. I don't have to verify a bunch of BS with the company. I don't have to use a bank to do this. I mean, come on. What more do you want? This is money that's working for me. So $265 does not sound like a whole lot of money when people are showing off big, huge accounts from cryptocurrency. I had a friend that's up $400,000 on that Dogecoin. But things like that, that's luck. You're not going to be able to time that market. If you time it the right way, you can make some money on it. And I do trade in and out of Dogecoin and XRP and these other coins that I don't believe in, just to make a little bit of extra money and try my hand at it. But something like this is a lot different. This is something that I had never heard of. I didn't have anybody that was able to vouch for it for me. I've heard of other people and talked to other people that say they've heard of it, but not that they're using it per se, or that they used it and they lost all their money. So that kind of created a challenge for me that I was interested in doing and seeing if I could figure out how to use it. So I'm looking to basically make money slowly. I don't need huge, massive 3,000% gains on something like this bot because I am an investor in ICOs and different small cap currencies that are extremely risky and have the potential for extreme growth. So something like this, I'm not looking to make a bunch of money every day. I don't expect it to do that. But $265 off of $700 is pretty incredible to me in less than a month. That's wild. So if you do some ratios and do some math, that's an extreme amount of money to be made off of something that I'm doing absolutely nothing on. I did have to learn how to use the website. I did watch some videos. I did do quite a bit of reading on this, but I realized that I can copy a bot that has historically done well. And that's what I did. I tried making my own bots. I tried copying other bots that had higher percentages that were trading out of all different types of pairs, but I want Link. And if you know anything about Chainlink, you probably hold some or probably want some as well. You can do some research on it before you go down this journey or this path with it. But that's pretty wild. $700. So let's say that you gave me $700, and then in a month, I made you, what's that, $965. I gave you $965 back in less than a month. You'd probably be sold. So now imagine if you gave me $10,000 and I gave you that same amount of money back. So that's what I plan to do. I'm going to start accumulating more money for this bot to work for me and see what it can do. Now, you do need to do your own research. Again, I'm not an investor in this company. I can't vouch for this company, but so far they're doing well for me, and this is real deal shit. So I thought that I could make this little video for you. If you watch this whole thing, congratulations. If you'd like to set up a one-on-one meeting with me, we can do so. I do charge for my meetings. I can help you set up a cold storage wallet the right way. I do offer that service now because a lot of people simply don't know that they need to hold their own keys. If you don't know what holding your own keys are in cryptocurrency, I have to say that you're a fool and you're going to get hacked. Someone will steal your money. So don't stay a fool for too long. Learn something. You can reach out to me if you'd like to work one-on-one with me, or you can watch some videos on YouTube and teach yourself all of these things or read some books. I'm pretty much self-taught. I do pay to be in different groups. I've paid upwards of $2,000 to be in one group. I've paid as little as $100 to be in a group as well. And I do benefit from all of these groups. There's just a lot of chatter here and there on them, and it's hard to keep up. So if you do want a real person to teach you some real things, the basics, what I mean by basics is things that most people never start with. People start trying to make money. Once you get this money, how are you going to pay taxes? Do you know that you have to pay taxes on cryptocurrency profits? Well, you do. And if you don't, you can get in trouble and they can come take all of it. So if you make a bunch of money overnight and you go buy a Lamborghini and then the next day cryptocurrency dumps on you, you're going to have less money than you started with. Usually that's what happens. So we're looking for slow and steady growth. I do get some big, huge growth during these times of a bull market, like right now that's happening in cryptocurrency, but that is not sustainable. I wish that it was, but I don't think that it is. So right now, you got to get in while the getting's good. We're at a new all-time high today, Ethereum at almost $3,000. It's $2,942 as I'm making this video, and Bitcoin sitting at a nice 57 and a half. So $58,000 per Bitcoin. So I've been doing this since 2017. I've seen some wild swings. I don't get nervous when prices dump. I only get nervous when prices go up. I'm kind of the opposite. I do still buy Bitcoin every single day as well. I have an automatic service called, what is that one called? Swan Bitcoin. Swan Bitcoin buys me $10 of Bitcoin every single day. Every day, right out of my bank account. And it is the lowest fees overall. I'll post a link to that as well. Go check it out. You get discounts if you use my link. I get some money if you use my link. We're all happy. But start buying some Bitcoin, hold on to it. If it starts crashing, I don't sell it. I go buy more if anything, or I just log off on my phone. But the main important thing is that you need to learn what your keys are. If you do not have your own keys to get into a hard or a cold storage hardware wallet, you do not own your cryptocurrencies. Exchanges get hacked. Look at Mt. Gox. Look at all these different apps and different websites that have been hacked over the years. There's been plenty of them. And I don't want to be the guy that tells you to do the things the right way, but I kind of have to be that voice of reason because I've had other people tell me that as well. I'm all in on cryptocurrency, as you can tell if you watch my Instagram or Facebook or whatever. You probably see me posting about it here and there, but I do a lot more behind the scenes than a lot of you may know. I go to a lot of events. I bump shoulders with a lot of people that are highly influential and highly intelligent. So I learn things from them. And what I learned is a lot of the basics are skipped over. And these guys with shitloads of money don't always know what they're doing. So be careful who you take advice from. If you think that I'm full of shit, then keep thinking that. It doesn't matter what you think. I do help my clients make some money. I help myself make money, but we invest on things that we believe in. If you're trying to get me to buy SafeMoon or CumRocket or Elongate or whatever these crazy, or Dogecoin or Ripple, these different currencies that are out right now, I don't have time to chase after pump and dump schemes. If you're hearing about something after it's already 50% or 1,000% what it was a month ago, you're probably kind of late to the party. Wait for that. If you do want to buy that kind of shit, wait for it to dump back down, because it will. Dogecoin, there's 5 billion of them made every single year. You don't know when they're going to be made. You don't know when that price is going to dump on you. So if you're up in Dogecoin, sell it. Take some profits for yourself. Maybe go buy something that you actually do need. Maybe go buy yourself a new computer. Buy yourself a Ledger, one of these things. This is a Ledger. It's a hardware Ledger Nano wallet. If you sign up with me and you do a 2+ session meeting with me, you get one of these for free. I sign you up on it. I show you how to do it. I show you how to wipe it. I show you how to save it. And these things it's necessary. If you don't have one of these and you own Bitcoin, you're fucking up. Sorry to tell you. Or Ethereum. You can put all different and Litecoin. You put all different kinds of tokens on this. But if you got Bitcoin, you need to save it. Save yourself from all the hackers, all the scammers, and don't ever send your Bitcoin to someone unless you're paying for a good or a service that you know you're paying for, and that you'll never get it returned, because people don't send back your Bitcoin, and people are not nice in cryptocurrency. They will take advantage of you, and they will take all of your money, and you'll never get it back. A lot of friends that have personally lost all their money in cryptocurrency because they bought into this scam like BitConnect. Do some research on BitConnect or Mt. Gox and just see what I'm talking about. Do a little bit of research. Type that in. You'll be amazed. And then research Bitcoin, because out of 11% of Bitcoin's life, it has gone up. Every single day that Bitcoin has been around, only 11% of its lifespan so far, it has had a negative return. 11% overall. What was the stat you read earlier, babe? Jess. She's on the phone. She can't hear me. But the stat on Bitcoin was, if you bought $1, I think 10 years ago, a Bitcoin would be worth over $90,000 right now. That is incredible. No other asset does that. This may be a big bubble, but it may not be. I don't live my life on maybes. Take a risk. Do it. Try it out. If you use my advice, that's great. Let me know how it works out for you. Love y'all. Make some money.